ridiculous. Dial 999.
Calling emergency services. Please emergency, what's the location, please?
Hello, I'm travelling southbound on the M42. I'm between Junction 6 and 5.
M42, Southbound.
Yeah, between 6 and 5, between the A45 and the A41. 6 and 5.
6 and 5.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Yeah, all lanes are active, but there's a guy changing a wheel on his vehicle on the inside lane, the hard shoulder, but it is an active running lane.
Okay. So changing wheel on hard shoulder, which is
File protected.
So just have your name.
Yes, that's the point.
All I could tell you, I believe it was a little white, something like a little white Peugeot or a little white Audi. I'll be honest with you, I can't remember what it was now. It's on my dash cam, but I can't remember what it was. It was definitely white though, like a little white hatchback. That's everything. He has got other people with him, but they're the other side of the crash barrier.
Okay, that's lovely. Thank you for your information then.
No problem, no problem. Enjoy the rest of your day. Take care. Bye bye. Good night. Bye bye.